In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to resolve the insufficient memory to open this page issue in Microsoft Edge. Let's get started. Close extra tabs in the Edge browser. Restart the Edge browser to free up memory. Restart your system to clear memory and free up resources. Press Windows plus S to open the search menu. Type msconfig and open System Configuration. Go to the Startup tab and click Open Task Manager. Disable unnecessary programs from the Startup list by selecting them and clicking Disable. Restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Open Edge and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Select Extensions. Click Manage Extensions and toggle off unnecessary extensions. Restart the browser after disabling extensions. Open the three-dot menu in Edge. Go to Settings about Microsoft Edge. If an update is available, install it and restart the browser. Reinstall the browser to resolve potential software corruption. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.